Hey, what's up? Summer is just around the corner, and soon we will be spending more times outside, in parks, near lakes and other recreational areas. I believe that music always makes a good atmosphere, so you should definitely have a Bluetooth speaker. If you're afraid that you don't have enough space in your bag for Bluetooth speaker, just look at the size of this one. It is very compact, so you can even put it in your pocket. The other features of this tiny speaker are magnetic attachment to any surface, including smartphone, stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and IPX4 water resistance. Okay, let's do unboxing. Look closer at the design of this speaker and check the sound quality. Before we start, please hit the like button under this video and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. By the way, I didn't tell you the name of this speaker. It is called Liddle. So the box, like the speaker itself, is very compact. As already said, the main features of this speaker are magnetic attachment, wireless connection, stereo surround sound. Inside the box we have a speaker itself, USB Type-C charging cable, steel rings, and the user manual. It is very small, but it has all the information about the speaker. The design is one of the main features of a Liddle wireless speaker. Its dimensions are 60 by 60 by 45 mm. The weight is only 77 grams. As already said, you can carry this speaker in the pocket of your jeans or shirts. There is a big Liddle logo and power button on the side. USB Type-C charging port is hidden under the rubber plug. By the way, a speaker is protected from the water by IPX4 rating. It is not completely waterproof, so you shouldn't dip it into the pool. However, it doesn't afraid of splashes. There is also some information about speaker at the bottom. Liddle speaker has non-slip silicone pad, so it is pretty hard to move on a flat surface. Another feature of this tiny speaker is a magnet at the bottom. You can attach the speaker to any metal surface, as well as to the back of your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. By the way, you can also use this speaker as a stand for your smartphone. It is really convenient. Okay, now let's talk about specifications of a Liddle Bluetooth speaker. You know, I didn't find any information about power of a Liddle speaker on Amazon product page or official website. However, in the user manual we can see that it is 3 watt. The Bluetooth version is 5.0 and the maximum wireless range is 10 meters. Talking about battery, it has a capacity of 420 mAh. The battery life on a single charge is about 6-8 hours, depending on the volume. Now I want to play music through the built-in speaker of my iPhone 12 and then Liddle speaker. As you can see, the sound is much louder, and the better through the wireless speaker from Liddle. By the way, you can also pair 2 Liddle speakers. Unfortunately, I have only one speaker, so I cannot show you that. But you just need to double-click a power button on the speaker to enter TWS mode. So Liddle wireless speaker is very good for home, kitchen, bedroom, and even outdoors, for example camping, hiking, beach, etc. It is compact and lightweight, so it is not very difficult to carry around. The sound quality and battery life are very decent for such a compact speaker. For the price of only $30, Liddle speaker looks very good. I will leave the link to Amazon in description under this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.